Before you start the basic wreath, you'll just want to mix your green with a ton of water to get a very light green shade. Use that paint to draw a circle on your paper. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, but this will just be the base guideline for your wreath. Once you've got your circle in place, start in by adding your leaves. You'll want them to be slightly angled outward from your guideline. Keep adding leaves, alternating which side of the guideline you're painting them in. You'll want the bottom of your leaves to touch the guideline and then go outward from there. Keep all of your leaves facing the same direction around the circle to help it feel more realistic. If it helps you to turn your paper as you go around the wreath, please do that. I started out my wreath by keeping the paper facing the same way, and then toward the end I turned it just to make sure the leaves were staying consistent. To finish this wreath, I'm just going in and adding a little bit more paint to where the leaves are still wet.